how to log out Binance app account sign out. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can log out on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out Binance, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Simply open up the Binance app and this is the kind of interface you will see. Then just tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen, as you can see there. Then just go there. Then once you've done that, you will see all these sorts of options, but again you want to simply go to your profile from the very top of the screen here. Then as and when you do that, from the bottom right of the screen you will find the option that says logout. So now you can tap on the logout option and log out of your Binance app, and this way you will be able to log out Binance app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.